world's biggest Nerf gun cannon, do perfect style, all the way to the pond.
Whoa! What's up, everybody? Hopefully you're having an amazing day. It is absolutely freezing here today, but the sun's a little bit out, so it's getting to be a better day. It's always a good day. Hopefully you guys are excited. Let's get this vlog started. Carter, what are we up to?
We are on our way to Toys R Us and Walmart. We're going shopping. We're gonna get some toys, maybe some Nerf guns.
Yes, we gotta load up on some Nerf guns, guys. We have a pretty epic vlog today. So if you haven't already tuned in, tune in. Let's get going. It's freezing.
I think I forgot my phone. I'll be right back.
Hurry, run.
Oh, it's so cold.
He always forgets his stuff. While we're waiting, I figured I might as well give you a little update on what we're doing. So this is one of the cool things that we're gonna throw in the vlog today. It looks just like a PVC pipe, but CO2 cartridge. This plus CO2 cartridge, stay tuned.
All right, I am back. I got my phone. I did leave it in the kitchen. Shout out if you ever leave your phone and you get like a mini heart attack.
Let's go! Parking lot is empty. There must be nobody here, but hey, that's okay for us because we're gonna go raid the Nerf gun section. They have the most awkward entrance. I had to come cut through here and go underneath that rope and stuff. I don't know what's going on, but it's like the most awkward entrance. Carter went the long way and he's finally here.
Real gold in one of 24 boxes. There's real gold in one of them.
Let's go buy 24 boxes. Confession, I have not been to Toys R Us for literally years. Cardade is way different. Those walls are like fake. They used to go way farther back. It's so much smaller. Look at this bike. That is insane.
Backflip challenge on the fat tire.
Oh, guys, comment if we should do the backflip challenge on this bike. I think yes. I think I'm just gonna say yes for everybody. But let us know, comment. Yes, next toy. This, oh, that looks so fun. Oh yeah. Oh. That's awesome.
Hey, there's a hoverboard right here.
Ooh, hoverboard.
Shout out to hoverboards.
Shout out to hoverboards. Oh, sick. They have like a metallic one. Yes, we made it to the Nerf section. Carter, let's let the fun begin.
The Walking Dead, look at this thing.
That's so awesome. Oh, Carter, we need to get this, the Rival, Nerf Rival. So we went in to grab one quick Nerf gun and we ended up playing for a long time. We did end up getting a Nerf gun. Totally different than what we expected, but I think we're gonna do something pretty epic with it. We got some good ideas. We're gonna see if it's possible first. We don't know whether we can do this or not. It's never been done before, so we gotta kind of tweak the gun a little bit and then we'll show you exactly how it's done. To make this rapid fire Nerf gun work, we're back at it again. Home Depot. Aisle 29 is where it's at. Welcome to the PVC section. Can you touch the ceiling with that, huh? Oh, you're so close.
We got some cool stuff. Oh boy, let's head home and I'll show you how to put it all together.
Shout out to the self-checkout. Carter's doing a great job.
Oh yeah.
Wow, they look good on you.
She looks like an old lady.
By the way, for all of you who don't know who Liz is, this is Carter's girlfriend.
Hi.
That's Lizzie Liz, she's from Cali. And then that's Hunter the punter. He's heading for the NFL. Back home, let's get to work, Carter. I love how the garage door is half cracked. So random.
What did we get at Home Depot, Steven?
So we got our PVC pipes and they're going to hold our mega Nerf darts. So this is a 3/4 inch pipe and they perfectly fit a mega Nerf bullet. So you just stick it in, and one cool thing we figured out before we build our gun is that you can make a blow dart. So here's a Nerf blow dart, ready?
Oh!
Ooh.
That was awesome.
One more try. You gotta get Liz one more time.
Oh! About that.
Oh yeah.
Steve.
It's time to put something together.
So the idea is we want to make a machine gun. So we're gonna have our barrel, and then we're gonna have like the magazine that holds all the bullets. But we also want to put a handle, something like kind of like this. So let's go ahead and make that. This will be the end of the barrel. Let's put that in place. Next is to cut a piece of this tubing to make our handle using our new fancy tool. Let's see how well this works.
That's sick.
I've never used that. Look how it's a clean cut.
Nice. Okay, this is what it was called if any of you guys are looking for it.
Next step is to put our handle into the little joint thing. So now we have our barrel and our handle, and then we're gonna make the rest of the gun go out this way. Let's put a cap on the bottom of the handle. This will seal the handle so the airflow goes out the barrel and not the handle. The next step is to put the body of the gun on. That is gonna be the rest of this piece that we cut, and that's gonna go into right here. Now you can see the gun is starting to take some shape. Using some of these other attachments that we got, we can create a silencer that'll go on the end of the barrel. First we have this piece that has some threads, and then the silencer can screw onto that. This creates a pretty cool looking silencer for the end of the gun. So now we have our machine gun with a silencer tip. The next step is going to be to add the magazine attachment and maybe another handle so we can hold it like this.
Next step, follow me over here. Let's see what Carter's up to. Carter, what are we doing at this station?
Now it's time to make the magazine that's gonna hold all the Nerf bullets. So we're gonna make a really tall one like this, and the bullets, the Nerf bullets, are gonna stack one on top of the other. This is what's gonna feed them into our machine Nerf gun. So we got some of this foam core. This is like poster board material. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut 2 pieces of this, and we're gonna make like a tall rectangular piece that's gonna hold. It's gonna be like a magazine clip that holds all of our Nerf darts.
To make the magazine fit onto the PVC Nerf gun pipe, we're gonna have to do a little bit of cutting, but safety first.
Time to make the cut using an angle grinder. All right guys, so here's what we got so far. What we did just now is we cut this notch in there. This is a perfect size and shape for our Nerf darts to drop right in. So what we're gonna have is the magazine that's gonna go up vertically, and it's gonna have all of the Nerf darts in there. They're gonna then get shot one at a time down the barrel and out the gun. All right, this is test 1 with 1 Nerf dart loaded in our semi-finished gun. It's not really finished just yet. It's kind of like work in progress. Test 1, here we go in 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Another test in 3, 2, 1. That was good.
We took a break from building our Nerf gun, and we're currently hooking Hunter up to this machine. It's $25 on Amazon. Carter got it for me for Christmas. It's like an E-stim thing. It's for like athletes and muscle recovery. And we're going to show Hunter how it works. It literally like squeezes your muscle in and out like. It's a weird feeling. Doesn't that feel weird?
Yeah,
that's so ridiculous.
We're gonna keep cranking it until he says no.
What level is it?
That's so nasty. Your muscles are gonna get so strong. Before we totally destroy this Nerf gun, Carter, let's show him what it looks like.
We got this like rifle style Nerf gun. Let's open it up. I'm super excited. We got bullets and shotgun shells. Okay, bullet in there. All right, so there's our 4 in the magazine. This is the coolest part. To load the gun, you like pull that back. Oh, that's cool. All right, do our first test fire. All right.
Woo!
Cool.
Oh, that's sick. The shell just comes out.
awesome.
Woo! That's sick. Oh, that's so cool.
Now that we've unboxed this, here's the plan. We are gonna modify this air rifle to shoot these air canisters. We're gonna load these air canisters into there. After it's modified, it's gonna fit perfectly. We'll lock it into place and we'll shoot. And this thing is gonna come flying out. So, let's do our first test with our modified machine gun that'll shoot these. To get these air canisters to shoot, all you have to do is puncture the hole on the bottom. There's a small like thin plate. You puncture that, this will come flying out. So I created this cap with a small nail. This is gonna go right on the end of this gun, this PVC gun. And then we're gonna drop this down the top. It's gonna slide down, it's gonna hit the nail and come firing right back out. Let's give it a try. All right, we are locked and loaded. You ready, Steve?
Let's do it.
All right, I hope this works. I don't know, let's go move out from the trees.
Good idea.
I don't know how high this is gonna go. I don't know how well this is gonna work. So let's give it a try. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1.
Fail. Whoa! It's way up there. Woo! Whoa!
So that will give you an idea of what this Nerf gun will shoot once we modify it. It's so cold out here, I need to go eat lunch, I'm freezing.
It's so good. Oh my God. It's so good. Okay, we gotta get this in the Nerf gun. So guys, I'm loading up this bag so we can squirt this inside the PVC pipe to make the Nerf marshmallow bullet.
This is the mold for the Nerf dart.
Let it ooze out the top.
Oh.
Air bubble.
All right, here goes this thing. It's a glue stick. This makes the hole inside the Nerf dart that's very necessary. See, if this isn't centered, the Nerf dart isn't gonna like work.
So this is what we're doing with the extra marshmallow that we made. Liz is gonna make Rice Krispie treats.
So not Rice Krispies because they're actually like other cereals that we had.
Yeah, we didn't have
Rice Krispies, so we're doing Nature's pumpkin flax and
Goleen.
some Goleen stuff.
I'm gonna show Nature Hall.
I think it's gonna be pretty
Like a
good.
lot.
It's gonna be an interesting Rice Krispie.
This should be good. A little bit healthier, right? It's organic.
Yeah.
And orange Nerf color too, so it'll be like extra tasty.
Nerf Krispies.
Nerf Krispies, yeah.
Shout out to Nerf Krispies. Do I have something on my mouth? Nerf Krispies are really coming along. They look really good. And then Liz had the idea.
It looks like cheese.
Yeah, it does look like cheese.
Cheesy.
Liz had the idea to put them in this little ice cream ball container thing. So Carter is making a Nerf marshmallow man. I see the two legs and the pelvic area. Carter is adding the final touches.
He was a little cold, so we got him a little chocolate t-shirt that we're adding, and we might give him some pants if he's lucky.
Here is the final product. Da, 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 da. Oh yeah. Share the love.
Oh, I should put that.
I can't wait to eat this. Let's dig in.
No, it's not ready. We have to let it dry, not till tomorrow.
For us, we have to wait till tomorrow, but for you guys, you only have to wait in 3, 2, 1. I tried to make marshmallow Nerf darts, so this is the mold I tried to use. It came out as a fail. It's not gonna work for this vlog. We'll try to get it right and try to get it working for a future vlog. Cardi, you gotta give it a try. Let everyone know how it is.
All right, should I take a bite out of his head?
Yeah, do it.
That's good.
It's really good. Here we go, guys. We are getting ready for the world's largest Nerf shot. Carter has
biggest
got
Nerf dart you've ever seen. Look at
that
this
is the
thing.
biggest Nerf dart. If you guys have seen our earlier vlogs, yes, this was the same dart. However, we amped it up a little bit. We'll tell you the secret ingredient after it works. So let's go outside. Got the cannon. We got to get the cap. Where's the cap for the cannon? All right, getting all the pieces together. Otter, come on. You got to watch this, baby. Come on. Come on.
This is a huge shot. This is enormous. Going from up to the turnaround, all the way up over that tree and into the pond. If we can pull this off, I'm gonna be impressed. This is insane. This is huge.
This is dude perfect level if we can pull this off.
Okay guys, so it is a big target. The pond is pretty big, but what makes it difficult is one, it's so far away. Two, we have to get it up over the trees, so it's like kind of threading the needle, so it makes it a little bit more tricky. And then the last thing is we're using a cannon and the world's biggest Nerf dart. So I've never done this before.
Here is the world's largest Nerf cannon. Carter is sticking that Nerf bullet in, having a little troubles. You can get it. Twist it.
Really tight fit.
There you
This
go.
is the bigger one.
Twist it and shove it in.
Oh god.
You gotta get it in the. Sometimes it's hard to get in, but you gotta just warm it up. It looks really tight. Come on, get it in, Carter.
I can't get it in.
You've got. Why is it so wiggly?
I'm using so much strength.
Used the start
stuck,
before.
I'm gonna be so mad.
Carter, if it gets stuck, it's gonna explode the cannon, isn't it?
Dude perfect, Nerf cannon shot, test 1. Here we go.
World's
In
largest
3,
Nerf gun shot.
2, 1.
Whoa! There it goes, way up there. Oh yeah, wiggle down, wiggle down. Ooh! Where did it land? Oh, okay, so we made it about halfway to the pond. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna trim off the tail a little bit so it gets more distance without wiggling, because that wiggle slows it way down. We almost made it into the pond though. We're gonna give it one more shot and then we're gonna call it. Reloading. This is way too wiggly, that's why it never went.
We're gonna cut off a little bit, make it a little bit shorter. There we go. Okay,
Woo.
Nerf dart, take 2, let's give it a try. Hopefully this will shoot a little bit better. Oh, it's way easier to load. Oh,
Yes.
it's definitely easier. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Gave a little extra.
A little extra, good job, Liz.
Okay.
Okay. FYI guys, it is absolutely freezing right now, so we're trying to hurry this up before we are frozen to death.
Very good. All right,
Oh my gosh, I hope it doesn't.
here we go. This is test 2, dude perfect, world's largest Nerf gun cannon shot all the way up into the pond. Let's hope it works. Here we go in 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Try number 3 because number 2 did not go off. Fill it up, Carter.
All right, 8 seconds.
Or Liz,
1,
spray it in there.
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay,
All right,
cap
that's
it,
probably
cap it.
good.
Let's do this, come on.
World's biggest Nerf gun cannon, do perfect style, all the way to the pond. Take 3. Here we go, firing in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, baby. Whoa! Ah!
That was pretty cool.
That was pretty cool.
It had a lot of spin that slowed it down, so.
We gotta figure something out for next time.
Okay,
Oh my gosh.
right now, so you've seen our first 2 tries. Comment right now whether you think our next try is gonna make it all the way to the pond. Comment right now. Do it. Yes or no. Hashtag Nerf, hashtag Dude Perfect if you think it's gonna work.
So guys, we have to run inside because it is so cold out, but we are still working on all those things you saw today. We will have them done, so stay tuned for the upcoming vlogs. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. And what you guys commented today, you will find out in the next vlog because we're going to get this Nerf gun cannon working and get it into the pond. So, comment now if you haven't, and until next time,
Stay awesome
and share the love. Peace.